Inhale, raise your both hands up, Hasta Uttana. Exhale, forward bending, Padahasta. Now from here, inhale, right leg back, come to Asa Sanchalana. Exhale, left leg back, come to Phalakasana. Hold the breath, come to Chaturanga Dandasana or come to Ashtanga. Inhale, upward dog or cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog or Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg front in between your palm. Exhale, left leg front to forward bending. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Good job. Continue please. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Hold the breath, come to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right leg front. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Two more rounds. Come on, continue please. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Hold the breath. Come to Ashtanga or Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Very good. Well done, everybody. The last one. Come on. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Hold the breath, come to Chaturanga or Ashtanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right leg front. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, Samasthitihi. One step open your leg, both hands side of the body and relax yourself. Close your eyes. Feel the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now we go for the variation. Legs together. Inhale. Raise your both hands up and come to chair pose. Utkatasana. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palm down and jump back. Good job. Plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee, chest and chin. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana. 2, downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale, right leg up. Right leg front in your palm. Drop your knee. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Come to Anjani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right knee straight. Drop your both palms side of the foot and stay there. Feel the stretching. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now fold your right leg first. Left hand down. Right hand straight up. Open your shoulder. Open your chest. 1, excellent. 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down. Right leg back. to plank pose. Body straight, one line. One, very good, excellent. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The same way, drop your knee, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog. And just one by one, heel up, down. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Drop your knee and raise your both hands up sidewise. Come to Anjaneyasana, look up, chin up. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee straight. Drop your both palms side of the foot. Don't worry, everybody. Very good today. Yes. 1. Excellent. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now from here, drop your right palm down and left hand straight up. Left hand straight up. Left hand straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Drop your both palms down and left leg back to plank pose. Again, body straight, one line. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both knee down, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. From here, come to the downward facing dog. Excellent, everybody. First, right leg up. Inhale up. Exhale, right leg front, knee up. Come to the warrior number 1, Virabhadrasana. Very good. Excellent, everybody. 1, knee up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Side warrior posture. Fold your right knees. Yes. Look front. Look front. 1. Excellent. 2. Beautiful. 3, 4, 5. Left hand back side. Left hand back side. Left hand. Right hand over your head. Bend your body. Down. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand over your thigh. Fold your elbow. Left hand over your head. Make sure your body should be straight, one line. Excellent. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right knee straight. Drop your right palm down and left hand straight up. Open your shoulder. Come to the Trikonasana. Yes. Excellent, everybody. 1. Hold on, hold on, hold on. 2. Good job, good job, good job. 3, 4, and 5. Drop your both palms down. Right leg back. Left leg back. Come to the plank pose. Body straight, one line. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both knee down. Chest and chin. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. And slowly see one step front and slowly see one by one heel up, down. Try to relax your calf muscle. Relax, 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 relax. The same way, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Raise your both hands up. Come to warrior number 1, knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Side warrior posture. Yes, fold your left knees. Very good. Little bit hip down. Excellent. Good job. Try to maintain body straight, one line. 1. Excellent. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand back side. Inhale, left hand all the way up and little bit arch back. 1. Excellent. 2. Hip down. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Yes, excellent. Maintain the posture. Good job. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left knee straight. Drop your left palm down. Come to triangle posture. Open your shoulder, open your body. Look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down. Left leg back, right leg back. Plank pose. Again, straight your body down, hip down, look front. Strong yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please come to child pose. Child pose, relax. This is the complete beginner flow. I request to everyone, please try to practice this series in home. That's great.